Hey guys, it's Foodie Friday, and I don't know about you, but I definitely have a sweet tooth, and I'm never about trying to push people away from the things that they love. However, finding healthier alternatives to the things that they love that are not health promoting, but are disease promoting. We don't want that in our life. So here is a really delicious and fudgy brownie recipe that is guilt-free, flour-free, all sorts of free. I'm going to quickly show you the ingredients and I will be sharing the recipe with you. But one ingredient that might scare you a little if you haven't tried this yet is black beans. We got organic black beans. Coconut oil, you're looking for raw, unrefined coconut oil. Organic is always fantastic. Vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract, not imitation. Maple syrup, yes, that is going to have sugar in it. However, it's pure organic maple syrup, one ingredient, and you can always dial down on the amount, the quantity. Raw cacao powder. It's literally organic raw cacao beans. That's it, one ingredient. And then aside from if you add a little bit of sea salt, there are eggs in this one, so it is not completely plant-based. There are eggs. You could do flax eggs or chia eggs. And then you got to have chocolate chips, right, in brownies to make them extra fudgy. I love the Enjoy Life brand because it's a dairy-free chocolate chip. I get dark because we love dark, and they taste like amazing chocolate chips. They don't taste weird or funny or whatever. They taste like chocolate, and they're delicious. So I can't wait to make this today and have that special tasty treat in our house for dessert or whatever to satisfy my sweet tooth. So enjoy your day. I will see you soon.